Welcome back to this quickie tasting and review episode of Brewing Around the Realm. What I have here is a bottle of my Sherman's Planet IPA. Remember, if you've been with us, this is based on the BYO magazine Triticale beer from their September 2017 issue. This was brewed on 1/7 of 2018, bottled on 1/26 of 2018, and as I'm sitting here, it is 2/23, so this has been about a month in the bottle, and I'm going to get this open and we'll take a taste. And you can see it did carbonate nicely. It's a really good head on it, and a sniff, and you do get hints of grapefruit and maybe a little bit of pine. It's the bright color. It's the color I was going for. I think this came out really nice. It's good beer. The only problem is I'm not sure I really like the hop profile of 007 Golden Hops for bittering. This tastes, to me, just a little slightly bit too bitter. I don't mind the hop flavor and the hop aroma, but the bitterness is a little bit much. It's not astringent. All the bitterness is definitely up front, so I'm really not getting an astringent character, which would be felt more in the back of your tongue. But I think the next time I brew this, I will switch up the hop profile a little bit and maybe bitter with something else that's not quite as, I don't know, put this, like, it's just really bitter. And I like it, but it's not quite what I expected. I think I like the grain in the Triticale. I definitely enjoyed that portion of it. It's got a spicy character in the malt background, which I really kind of like. But yeah, it definitely needs a different hop profile. So if you're going to brew this one, stay tuned. Sometime in the future I will brew a new batch of this with different hops and see if I can come up with something slightly different. But for now, I thank everybody for watching this episode. Make sure you check out our new website at brewingaroundtherealm.com. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you watched tonight, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. That really is the way to get the word out for us, and I really appreciate it. Until next time, happy brewing. Catch you in the next one. Bye.